Alright, so the platform we're gonna be using to teach this strategy is called tradingview.com. Once you're in a chart, head over to the indicator section and type in super trend optimized exit and add that indicator to the chart. After you add the indicator, we gotta change the settings to make the chart less crowded and make the indicator more accurate. So click the indicator settings icon and then in the style section, uncheck the table option and change the long and short options to below bar and above bar respectively. Then in the input, change ATR length to 14 and factor to 6. Now you can use the long and short signals from the indicator to get into buy and sell trade. No signal indicator works alone, so we want to add more indicators and filters to make the results better. But before we move on though, I want to tell you about the free copy trading platform we just launched. Whether you're an experienced trader or a beginner, I can assure you we're implementing a really effective and profitable scalping strategy along with great risk management. If you're interested in trying out this free service, just click the link provided in the description below this video and sign up. It's that easy, and let me know if you have any questions. So for now, in the search bar, search for the trend indicator A-V2 indicator and add it to the chart as the second indicator. Then I'll walk you through adjusting the settings of that indicator and combining it with the super trend indicator to form a good trading strategy. Alright, in the indicator settings under inputs, change MA period to 45 and then MA period smoothing to 1. Then change the indicator time frame to 15 minutes. Adding the trend indicator to the chart provides an important layer of confirmation for the long signals given by the super trend indicator. When the super trend indicator gives a long signal, we need to confirm that signal by checking if the corresponding candlestick closes above the trend indicator. And also the trend indicator provides an important confirmation for short signals given by the super trend indicator. Simply seeing a short signal from the super trend indicator is not enough. We need to see the signal confirmation by a close below the trend indicator to have high confidence in entering a short trade. When the candlesticks are rapidly oscillating with the trend indicator, it indicates a period of high volatility and uncertainty in the market. In this environment, the trend is unclear, unlikely changing direction frequently, so you should not enter a trade in this condition. Therefore, it reduces your risk of losses. Alright, now it's time to add the next indicator to the chart. So in the indicator section, search for indicator OBV oscillator and add it to the chart. Once it's added, we're gonna make some adjustments to optimize it. So in the inputs tab, change the length value to 100. Then in the style tab, follow along step by step like in the video to set up the color and settings the way we want it. Now if the shaded area is above the zero line, that means buy signals from the other indicators will be valid trade. But if the shaded area is below the zero line, that means sell signals will be the ones we want to take. For example, in this chart, the short signal was given by the super trend indicator, but the OBV oscillator area was above zero line. So this signal is rejected, and not taking the trade help us avoid a losing trade. Alright, here's how we'll interline trades based on these indicators. First, we wait for the super trend indicator to give us a buy signal. Then the OBV oscillator gotta confirm the buy signal by being above the zero line. And finally, the candle that triggers the signal has to close above the trend indicator to make sure the uptrend is still going strong. And if all three of those things happen, then we can interline trade at the close of that signal candle. And for a stop loss, we'll place it right at the super trend line. And for taking profits, let's aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And here's how we'll enter short trades based on these indicators. First, we wait for a super trend indicator to give us a sell signal. Then OBV oscillator gotta confirm the sell signal by being below the zero line. And finally, the candle that triggers the signal has to close below the trend indicator to make sure the downtrend is still going strong. And if all three of those things happen, then we can enter a short trade at the close of that signal candle. And for a stop loss, we'll place it right below the super trend line. And for taking profit, let's aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. If your goal is to find and learn the very best way to trade in order to maximize your profits, then according to this claim, you have no choice but to watch this specific video. There's no alternative. You must watch it in order to learn the optimal trading strategy.